Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tool Talk Pro. Today, we're talking about one of the most essential tools that keeps everything balanced. Literally. Yes, we're diving into spirit levels and laser levels, how to use them, and why they're way more important than just making your shelf look straight.
Because trust me, if your shelf isn't level, your coffee mug will tell you, and it won't be pretty.
A level is a tool, used to check if a surface is perfectly horizontal or vertical.
In other words, it tells you when gravity is working with you, not against you.
There are two main types: spirit level, with a liquid-filled vial and bubble, and laser level. Projects a straight light beam to help align things across longer distances.
And no, unfortunately, the laser level doesn't double as a lightsaber. We checked.
Place the level on your surface. If the bubble's centered between the lines, you're good. If not, adjust your surface until it is.
It's basically the bubble version of a thumbs up.
Spirit levels come in different lengths. Use a small one for tight spaces. A long one when you want your project to actually be straight.
Unless you're going for that intentionally crooked aesthetic, then hey, ignore everything we said. Laser levels are great for long distances, or when your friend insists on just eyeballing it and you want to prove a point.
We have technology.
Place it on a flat surface or tripod, turn it on, and let it self-level. Then, align your work to the laser line.
Some models give you horizontal lines, vertical lines, or even full-room lasers. Great for big projects, or pretending you're in a sci-fi movie.
Use spirit levels when working up close shelves, frames, or countertops.
Use laser levels when you need consistent alignment over a distance, like multiple shelves or wall tiles.
Or if you just want to feel cooler on the job. Admit it, lasers feel cooler. Mistake number 1, using a bent or dented level. That's like trusting a ruler that shrinks in the sun.
Also, clean your level. A bit of dust can throw off your reading, and suddenly your perfect table starts rolling marbles off the edge.
And always check your calibration, especially for laser levels. If it's way off, your room might start to feel like a funhouse. Keep your tools in shape. Store your level flat and clean. Avoid tossing it into the bottom of your toolbox, like last week's sandwich.
And for laser levels, protect the lens and don't leave batteries inside forever. Broken battery, broken tool.
Flip your spirit level and remeasure to check for accuracy. If the bubble stays in the same spot both times, your level is solid.
Need to turn off your laser but keep your line? Just lightly mark the spot with a pencil. It's like hitting pause on your project.
And if you're working outside in bright light, use a laser detector. Or wait until the sun sets, but we recommend the first option. That's a full breakdown of spirit levels, laser levels, and how to get things actually level, not just close enough.
If your project deserves the best, don't settle for guesswork. Trust your tools and your bubble.
Drop your questions in the comments and let us know. Are you Team Bubble or Team Laser?
And of course, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more tool tips right here on Tool Talk Pro.
Stay straight, stay level, and thanks for watching.
By the way, if you're interested in the tools we use in this video, you can check the link in the description. Okay, bye.